My name's Major Singh. I've got an MOT station just up the road from Samuel's house on Pershing Road, 1683.
And how have you enjoyed the meet so far? Have you enjoyed it?
Sorry, what was that?
Have you enjoyed the course?
Oh, yeah, fantastic. It's a lot of information to take in, and it's very intense, but it's fantastic.
Do you feel like you've learned a lot?
A lot.
Amazing. And what made you get into property? What was the appeal?
Retire from my job. I'm getting at that age now. I should have retired a long time ago. But Samuel's teaching's fantastic. Yep.
Do you think the course here is going to help you get to that goal quicker?
I think so, yeah. Immensely, yeah. The mentors I got, Tony Crook, the teachings of Samuel. Yep.
Just take a shuffle to the right. There we go. So tell me what the next steps are for you.
My next steps are I want to be a deal sourcer, go into rent and see what happens down the road.
Tell me, so someone who wants to get into property, what would you recommend?
What was that, sorry?
To someone who is thinking about getting into property, what would you recommend?
I'd recommend going to the £1 crash course. £1 crash courses are amazing. You get so much information there. But coming here to the Thistle Hotel, it's very intensive. You got so much to take in, and it's good.